Hi, I'm Daniel Rodriguez from Acura, here to explain how to use one-pedal driving and regenerative braking. Regenerative braking helps slow your vehicle down by converting some of the energy from your vehicle's movement and sending it to your vehicle's battery, helping to charge it and extend your range. One-pedal driving engages regenerative braking as soon as you release pressure off the accelerator pedal, which minimizes use of the brake pedal. The ZDX has 2 levels of regenerative braking which can be selected from the color touchscreen. One-pedal driving can also be turned off. From the main menu, touch the pedal icon and press the Set Level link in the pop-up box to go to the full one-pedal driving selection screen. When turned on, one-pedal driving returns to the previously selected level. While using Regen on demand, you should also continue to use your brakes as needed to slow or stop the vehicle. Furthermore, the ZDX also features a Regen paddle, which allows you to engage regenerative braking manually. The Regen paddle is located on the back of your steering wheel. To operate, pull the paddle towards you and hold it. Note that it's recommended you only charge your battery to 80% for daily use to allow for regenerative braking. And when driving on slippery roads, turn off one-pedal driving to help minimize unintended wheel slip. For more information, please see your owner's manual.